Second session of AutoCAD for mechanical engineers, we will see how to work with the different coordinate system in AutoCAD. So there are three types of coordinate system in AutoCAD. First one is absolute coordinate system. The second one is rectangular, relative rectangular coordinate system, and the third one is relative polar coordinate system. So let's see in our software how to work with all the three coordinate systems in a AutoCAD software. So first one is absolute coordinate system. It uses the Cartesian coordinate system to specify the coordinate points of x, y, and if necessary z also. Okay. For this, I will take one example. I will activate line command and specify my first point as 0, comma 0 to specify the origin, and then I will specify my next point as 5 comma 0, enter. Then the third point as 5 comma 8, 5 comma 8, and enter. This is how we can work with the absolute coordinate system in AutoCAD. The second coordinate system is relative coordinate system. In the relative coordinate system, the coordinate point is taken relative or compared with the recent coordinate points. Okay, and that recent coordinate point is considered as origin for the next specifying point. Okay, this is the difference between absolute coordinate system and the relative coordinate system. Okay, so for specifying the next coordinate point in relative coordinate system, we have to put at the rate symbol before specifying the points. So let's see the example for relative coordinate system. First, I will take a line command and specify the first coordinate system at 0, comma 0 coordinate point, and then next one for the next point I have to put at the rate symbol and then specify the point 5 comma 0, enter. Also then here this this 5 comma 0 point is considered as 0 comma 0 for the next specifying point. Okay, for that I have to use at the rate symbol and to specify the next point as 0 comma 10, then enter. This is how we can work with the absolute relative coordinate system. Okay, then the third coordinate system is relative polar coordinate system. In the polar coordinate system, we have to specify the direction of angle using the mouse cursor to specify the angle. Okay, this is used when the polar coordinate system is used when we have to specify a point at some angle. Okay, for that I will take the line command and specify the first point at 0 comma 0 origin, and the second point is at the rate 0 comma 5, enter, and then I will specify the direction of angle and then specify the point using at the rate symbol, then specifying the point as 5 and less than 340 degrees, then enter. This is how I can work with the polar coordinate system. This is enough for the this session. We will meet in next session.